will show you how to make this little it's like pockets that you can use for little notes that you want to include. You make it like look like envelopes, or maybe you can make it look like a little Bible, like a little book. There's a lot of possibilities. So I'll show you how to work with this canvas, plastic canvas. So you need 2 pieces. I cut it out in 2x3s. So you need 2 pieces like these. And with crochet hook of 2.5 millimeters, and this yarn is about 2 millimeters. I can't remember what brand was this, but I think it was from Hobby Lobby. And you can see the thickness of it. I'm also gonna use this other yarn for the border, so I'm gonna have a combination like this, and I'll show you how to put this together. It's very easy. I'm addicted to this canvas. It's so fun to make. Look at this. Okay, so I'm gonna insert my yarn in the very corner of the canvas, and I'm gonna slip stitch the longest side. I'm gonna go all the way in that column, if you will. I'm gonna slip stitch all the way up there. Look how easy this is. Go up. If you pick a hook that's too big, it won't fit. So you make sure that the hook fits loosely on it. Okay, now what we're gonna do is gonna turn on my right side a little bit to work on the second column, and again slip stitch on it. And sometimes it's a little tight, but try to keep it kind of loose. And let's go down now that column, right next to the first one. So you're gonna do this, go all the way down. Okay, and when we get down there, we're gonna repeat again what we just did, but this time we're gonna go on the other side. So you see where I'm going with this? So we're gonna go up and down, up and down, up and down until complete this. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So you see now I completed all the rows with slip stitches, and this is how I look in the back. It kind of look nice on the back too. All right, so I can continue with this same color, but I kind of like having a different border. So I'm gonna use this pink color. So before I finish this last row, not row, but this little cell here, I will switch, and I'm gonna use the pink one for this one, and I'm gonna go here in my slip stitch. I'm gonna switch the color. You see how I'm gonna get rid of this yellow. I'm gonna continue with that pink one. So I'm just kind of cut it for now. The yellow. Bye. I'm gonna use you later. Okay. Thank you, yellow yarn. Now I'm gonna go with the pink one. So I'm gonna make one stitch there, one chain, and then I will go in that corner. I'm gonna go. I have one chain. I'm gonna go a second, and I'm gonna go a third, because the corners you want to make 3 single crochets in those ones. So I'm gonna single crochet all around the perimeter of my canvas. And what I'm gonna do is, see, I like to hide this threads behind my stitches so that it'll be easier and more clean look at the end. So I'm gonna do single crochet all around, and my loose yarn is gonna go underneath it, so it's gonna be kind of covered behind it for a cleaner look. You see how it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna go all the way the perimeter, okay, and make sure that you put 3 single crochets on the corner. All right. All right, now that I have my 2 pieces, so this would be a good time to add a embellishment. You can add like a little puffy flower, or you can just add a little cute little cheeky. Oh, he's so cute. Or maybe add a little heart. Or you can embroider something, embroider a cross or a heart, or just embroider. Here I have another example. See, you have like a little envelope, and you can also have like a little cheeky. Okay, so here it's up to you what you want to do. So I have my 2 pieces. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put them together like this, you see, and that's going to be my little pocket. See, I'm going to leave the top open, and then I'm going to slip stitch around it the three borders in here. So let me connect this here first. I'm going to connect it in here in the closest, and it's going to be a little bit challenge because it's just in that corner. It's always a little challenge, but you can do it, I know. I'm gonna slip stitch in there, you see. I'm gonna go one more because it's a little, let's just go one more here to make it very in the corner, okay? You see that? And I like to leave a little bit of a like a loop, see this, so that you can kind of keep it in your finger, okay? All right, so let's do maybe 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whoops. Oh, I lost count. 17, is this it? Just to keep it along my little finger. It's up to you if you want to make it longer or shorter, or you can just keep it all together and just add maybe like a chain or something. You know, like a keychain. Okay, so I'm gonna put them together like that, and I will actually, yeah. What I sometimes like to do is I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna leave that up. Come over here. And we get it looks cleaner to me that way. Instead of having this bumpy. There you go. Look. And then slip stitch there. How's that? See? Now they're together, and we're gonna go. And the next one, is this here? Let me look. Just make sure that they're together. Sometimes that's gonna force it a little. There, you see? Slip stitch. There, grab the next one, go there, grab the next one, go there, slip stitch, next, slip stitch, and next, and so forth. You keep going till the first side is going to be connected. Go all the way. This project is so easy to do, and it's so lovely that you can put little notes. You can leave tips. You go to a restaurant, you put a little dollar, or just give it to your kids, you know, or anybody. Just make somebody happy. Put a little message or a little tip or anything. A candy maybe put inside. How lovely. Who doesn't like that? a sweet message for someone you care. You need to be nice to people, you know? Alright, so here we finished the first side, and we're gonna do the same here and here, okay? And there we go. So you just kind of hide this, go all around and just kind of hide this. You know what I mean. Just hide it. And then go here and just kind of, okay, a little yarn. You don't need to be out there. And just kind of hide these things. And then you can cut it. See, we have our little pocket. How cute. Now you decorate however you want it. Just like that, or like I showed you earlier. Just kind of make it look like a little, put up some heart. I have one that has a cross. Where'd it go? Okay, here it is. You get some messages inside. I have some little examples that you can put inside. See, this one fits there. You can make it bigger or smaller, however you want it. So you here, I'm gonna put that inside for a little present. And there you go. Let me know if you did it.